What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva here. Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Hey, guys, I just want to do a quick update for you guys. Before we get into that, though, if you haven't checked out my projects, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right? So, I've been talking to you guys about a resource that I've been using to get 100 leads a day, and now I receive 200 leads a day because I referred others to this program. If you refer at least one person, the company gives you a bonus and you start receiving 200 leads per day. All right, and this platform is $1 per day. It's a done-for-you emailing platform, okay? Excuse me, that's been around, oh my goodness, since what, 2018, 2019, something like that, right? My Lead Gen Secret. The link is in the description. And I forgot to show you guys this because people always are asking, well, hey, what's some of the resources you're using? Do they really work? Have you gotten paid commissions and all those type of things? So yes, and I forgot to show you I received another commission from them. This is not the first commission I received, but just want to show you that. And again, I've gotten sales. Okay, of course, no guarantees, right? No guarantees. I can't make a guarantee. I'm just showing you some resources and things that I'm doing. I have gotten sales from this platform for HBA, and I came out and showed you guys that. Okay, so. But everything takes consistency because these are cold leads. They don't know you, okay? They don't know anything about us, all right? These are just people out there, biz opportunity seekers that have raised their hand and said, hey, they would like to receive information on how to make money online, okay, with affiliate marketing. And so I've been emailing these folks. So anyway, just want to show you guys that they paid once again. And you can check this thing out. It's only $1 a day, $30 a month, and you're going to be getting 3,000 emails, names, the name of the people, their email address, where they're located, far as what country they're in, and you can send them your offers. Okay, so that's what I've been doing. So anyway, they have paid me once again, and that was last month. I forgot to show you, so just going to show you that. Let's check it out. Okay, you actually have to go in My Lead Gen Secret and put a request in to receive your commissions. So if you look right here, they send me an email back and it says new payout requests. And they say right here, I have sent you $30 in commissions too, and this is my PayPal right here. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Okay, and here is my PayPal where they sent the 30 bucks. Okay, all right. That's how that goes. And let's take a look at My Lead Gen Secret. See right here, PayPal. All right, hang on. All right, so we're in the My Lead Gen Secrets back office. As you can see right here. Okay, we're inside. And see the way, here's all the links that they give you to promote My Lead Gen Secret. And here's the comp plan. See, you get $5 a month per referral. Okay. These are people on your first level, meaning these are folks who purchase directly from my link, okay? $5 per person. So I got paid $30. Then you see right here, you receive $4 on your level 2. $3 a month on sales people that you personally sponsor. And there's level 3, then it goes down from there, $2 and then $1, all the way up. 5 levels, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, basically. All right, commissions. Now, the way this works is once you reach 30 bucks, your total commissions accumulated, then you can request a payout. See, it says it right here, which time they will pay you upon request. They'll pay you via PayPal, check, or Bitcoin. It's up to you. Then they got this other deal where if you get 5 folks, right? If you get 5 referrals right here, within 1 week period, they'll give you a $100 bonus. There's no limit. Refer 25 new paid members in 1 week and you'll earn 500 bucks. Okay? So they've got all these incentives, of course. But again, this system, like I said, will give you 100 leads a day. 100 leads a day. Let's go over here. I'm not going to click on my leads because I don't want to show folks emails, all right? But you get, see, I'm getting 200 leads a day, all right? See, I sent my email out. I have now, let's see, how many leads do I have? I have, let's see, hold on. I have, let's click it, 143,400 leads in this system now. And I just go here and I blast out whatever I'm offering. I select the leads, all right, and then I go down here and I type a subject there. As you can see, that was my last one. Put a subject there, I put the first name, and I take all this out and I paste the body of my email, whatever it is I want to say to these leads, and I click send. Guys, that's it, okay? That's what I do. What I've been promoting on this particular account is HBA, all right, and I have gotten 2 sales out of this. So for me, this is another resource that I'm using. Again, you can get this. It comes with the tools. See, I'm on the tools tab where they give you these links. They even have emails in here that you can purchase. All right, these 30 swipes, you can purchase these directly from them when you sign up. And you can just import these right into the platform and just send them out, guys. All right. So another way to get eyeballs on the opportunity. That's what this is. Not a guarantee of are you going to get sales or any of that. Okay. It's just another way to get eyeballs. And that's the name of the game. Exposure. People must see your offer. If you're a secret agent, how do people know who you are, where you are, and what you're promoting? All right. So just another resource. So if you're interested in checking this thing out, and it's $30 a month, right? $1 a day. And you can always cancel it. You know, try it for 30 days, try it for 60 days. You know, you can cancel it. It's a subscription. Okay. But when you get in here, you want to come here and you watch this video to show you how to utilize everything. Quick start video. Okay. Another resource. All right. So go check it out. Go here to coffeeandcoins.info. Come all the way down to this page here. You see this? And it says reveal. Free video reveals how people are getting 100 leads every day without a website, without paid traffic, $1 a day. You click this button. Okay. Click this button right here. Check it out. You click it. You come to this page. Okay. And you can go ahead and sign up. Join right here, $1 a day. It's $60 today because it's $30 one-time setup fee, and then you're going to pay your first month of $30, and you're going to be getting 100 leads a day, guys. That's 3,000 people that you can send an email blast to every day of whatever your opportunity is. Again, it's subscription based, so you can cancel it at any time. All right, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget before you get out of here to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.